In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in Google Sites. If you want to make your site easier to navigate, adding a search bar is a simple and practical improvement. It helps visitors quickly find the content they need, especially if your Google site has multiple pages or a lot of information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place that search bar into your site using the embed feature inside Google Sites. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're in edit mode. This is important because you'll need access to the editing tools on the right side of the screen. Once you're on the page where you want the search bar to appear, take a moment to think about placement. Usually, a search bar works best near the top of a page or in a section where visitors can easily spot it. Next, go over to the panel on the right-hand side and click on Embed. This is the option that allows you to add outside content or custom code into your Google site. If you don't immediately see it, just look through the insert options in that side panel until you find it. After that, choose Embed Code. Google Sites gives you different ways to embed content, and for this method, you'll be using code rather than a direct URL. Selecting the code option opens a field where you can paste the search bar code you want to use. Now paste your code into the box provided. Make sure the code is complete and formatted correctly before moving on. If something is missing, the search bar may not display properly once inserted. This is a good moment to quickly review what you pasted so you can avoid having to come back and fix it later. Once the code is in place, click Next. This lets Google Sites preview the embedded content before it's added to your page. The preview is useful because it helps you confirm that the search bar appears the way you expect. If the preview looks off, you can go back and check the code again before continuing. When everything looks good, click Insert. Google Sites will place the search bar onto your page, and from there, you can reposition it and adjust its size to fit your layout better. Try to keep it aligned neatly with the rest of your content so the page stays clean and easy to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Google site. After inserting it, don't forget to review the page and make sure the search bar looks good and functions properly in context. Once you're happy with it, your site will be more user-friendly and much easier to explore.